Hello, this is Miss Amanda with Tomball Community Library. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're going to start our STEM unit learning about seeds. This will be connected to a later project that I should upload in the next day or so. And we're going to be growing sprouting chia seeds and growing a bean seed. And we're going to keep a seed journal. And we're just going to learn a little bit about seeds on this nice break. There are two types of seeds: seeds that you find in flowers and seeds that we find in food. Let's take a look at the sunflower. It's very pretty, but if we zoom in, we'll see all the little tiny seeds in rows. The next picture shows, you might have seen some of this in the food you eat, but they still have their protective coating on them. And then the last picture is what we see, the actual seed itself. Seeds in food. You notice watermelons have seeds, peanuts, and strawberries. Fun fact about strawberries: each strawberry has about 200 seeds in it. Can you think of any more food that has seeds? Let's take a closer look at the pumpkin. This pulp in here, can you find the pumpkin seed? Good job, it's the little white seed. For our bean plant experiment, the bean is a type of seed too, and you can use any type of bean you have lying around in your pantry. Let's think about how seeds travel. So, unlike us, seeds do not have legs. They can't just decide, I want to go over here and walk over to a new place to grow. They have to rely on other methods such as wind, water, animals, and humans. Now, let's delve into this a little bit deeper. So, when the wind blows, you see this little dandelion, or from a human that blows a dandelion and makes a wish, the wind causes it to travel far away. Animals eat seeds like blueberries and blackberries, and they travel far away too from the original point. And then when they have a bowel movement, the seeds are in their excrement. So that's how seeds travel through animals. Water is very interesting. So when it rains a lot and areas flood, or a seed is growing next to like a river or the ocean, it'll fall into the water and the water can carry it far away. Humans are interesting too. We, unlike animals, cultivate seeds. We grow them in our gardens, we farm lands and grow crops. Do you have a garden? Let's take a look inside a seed. The seed has three main parts. The outside layer, the seed coat, I like to think of it as the seed's armor. It protects the seed and allows it to grow into a full-size plant. Next, let's look at the embryo. This is essentially a baby plant. It starts off small, but with the right care, it can grow into a full-size adult plant. Next is the food store. And this is all the nutrients or food the plant will need to help it grow into an adult plant. Okay, what does a seed need to grow? Plants need sunlight, soil, and water. Take a look at the bean life cycle. If you notice, this life cycle does not end, it is continual. From the adult plant, it'll flower and have a little bean pod. Within those bean pods are seeds, the bean seeds. With the right care, they'll start to sprout, they'll grow roots, grow their very own leaves, and then they'll become an adult bean plant, and then they'll flower, and then the cycle starts all over again. It's nonstop. That's pretty neat. Here's a picture of your bean, like when it starts to sprout, a real life picture of the little root coming out. And you'll also notice throughout the project, whenever your bean starts to grow, the bean itself will shrink. That's because it's using up all of its food source. Here's a picture of our final product. And then don't forget, whenever your bean reaches this height, you will need to put it into another container with soil because it needs nutrients from the soil. Okay, see you next time.